Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, you're welcome. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment on my videos. And if you're a returning subscriber, a returning viewer, thank you for coming back. Okay, in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you 4 easy and quick methods to tie a scarf or a turban, whichever one you call it. Each time I tie my scarf, people ask me how I achieve it, and today I decided to share with you how I achieve it. I'm also going to be leaving the Instagram handle of the vendor for my scarf so that you guys can know where I get my scarf, because people keep asking where I get it. So without further ado, let's jump right into the video. Alright, so I have my wig cap on already, and then I'm just going to be tucking a bun behind it. Because I don't have an already made bun, I'm going to be using a square scarf to create a bun and then tuck it behind it. But if you already have your hair made like into braids, you can just use that braids to form bun and put it behind your and form the bun behind your head, if that makes sense. All right, so for the first 3 styles that I'm going to be tying, the measurement I used is a 60-40 measurement. So the both ends of the scarf are not equal, one is longer than the other one. And I'm using this 72 inches by 35 inches scarf, a nude pink scarf. It has glitters, and I'm just going to fold it horizontally into almost half. As you can see what I did, just watch what I am doing. I don't want to talk too much so that I don't confuse you guys. When you're crossing the scarf at the back, ensure that the longer hand goes underneath the shorter hand, just as I am doing. Also guys, I want you guys to give me name ideas for this scarf, because I just came up with different names. I called the first one single wrap, second one mid twist. I just gave it different name. If you think those names are accurate, please drop a comment, and if you think you have other names for it, also drop a comment. All right, so right now I'm just going to leave you guys to enjoy and watch what I am doing so that you can achieve the best out of these styles. Okay, for the fourth style, this is a little bit different because I'm using a smaller scarf, which is 72 inches by 28 inches um scarf, and it's a nude brown scarf as well. And the measurement is 50-50, so both ends are equal. No, one is no longer than one. So you place it on your head just like that. And unlike the first style, when wrapping the any either hands of the scarf around your head, you don't wrap it all through, you wrap it in a slanted way, as you would see in the video. Alright guys, thank you for watching. I hope you learned a thing or two, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give this video a big thumbs up, comment on my video as well as share with your friends and families. And regarding the names, the style names that I give the scarf, or the names I give the scarf styles, if you think they are good enough, please drop a comment in the comment section below. And if you think you have other ideas, please share those names with me in the comment section below. And if you also try this out, please share with me on Instagram at Miss Soria. Let me see what you come up with. Also guys, don't forget to get your scarf from Rina Essential. She has the best scarf. All right, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.